Imagine the middle of the Second World War, when Allied armies needed reliable vehicles capable of quickly and safely recovering damaged equipment from the battlefield. It was for this purpose that in 1943, the heavy wrecker truck 570, also known as the Heavy Wrecking Truck M1, was introduced. This vehicle became an indispensable asset for the United States Army, transporting and repairing tanks, armored vehicles, and other heavy equipment under the most challenging conditions. Its role in the war was crucial, ensuring mobility and continuous combat operations. The Kenworth 570 was built on a 6x6 chassis, providing exceptional off-road performance and stability on difficult terrain. The truck weighed around 6.4 tons, about 14,100 pounds, with a length of 7 meters, approximately 23 feet, a width of 2.4 meters, around 8 feet, and a height of 2.7 meters, close to 9 feet. Its wheelbase measured 4.3 meters, that's about 14 feet, which improved stability when handling heavy loads. The maximum speed of the Kenworth 570 reached 72 kilometers per hour, about 45 miles per hour, and the fuel tank had a capacity of 227 liters, roughly 60 gallons, allowing it to cover long distances without refueling. At the heart of this vehicle was a 6-cylinder Continental Model 22R engine, producing 145 horsepower, paired with a 5-speed transmission and 2-range transfer case. This combination enabled efficient operation both on paved roads and across rough terrain. The suspension used live axles on leaf springs, allowing the truck to carry heavy loads while maintaining relatively smooth movement, even on unprepared roads. One of the most remarkable features of the Kenworth 570 was its powerful winch system. With a pulling capacity of 21.5 tons, that's about 47,500 pounds. It was capable of recovering disabled tanks weighing up to 2 tons, around 4,500 pounds. In addition, the truck was equipped with a 180-degree rotating crane and outrigger stabilizers, which ensured stability during operations. Onboard welding equipment and a variety of recovery tools made it a truly versatile vehicle for repairing damaged machinery right in the field. The Kenworth 570 was actively deployed on all fronts of the Second World War, including Europe and the Pacific Theater. Its primary mission was to recover damaged armored vehicles and return them quickly to service. The reliability and robustness of this wrecker made it an essential part of U.S. Army logistics. In 1944, an upgraded M1A1 version appeared, featuring an improved crane and increased lifting capacity, and continued to serve even during the Korean War. Interestingly, the Kenworth 570 was not a combat vehicle. It had no armor and did not take part in direct fighting. Yet its contribution to the war effort was immense. Without vehicles like this, the Allies would have struggled to restore combat units quickly and maintain the mobility of their tank forces. Today, restored examples can be seen in museums around the world, showcasing both the engineering skills of American manufacturers and the vital role of heavy recovery vehicles in securing Allied victories. If you enjoyed this overview and want to learn more about rare and fascinating military vehicles, be sure to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and hit the notification bell so you never miss new episodes. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.